Section 1. Why your credit limit matters. First, let's talk about why increasing your credit limit is such a smart move. Hello, I am Elise. Today, in this video, I'm revealing powerful insider hacks to boost your credit line quickly and responsibly so you can improve your credit score, increase your financial flexibility, and unlock new opportunities. Stick around till the end for a bonus method that works almost instantly, but hardly anyone talks about. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Why your credit limit matters. First, let's talk about why increasing your credit limit is such a smart move when done right. Lower credit utilization. A higher credit limit means you're using less of your available credit. This improves your credit utilization ratio, which makes up 30% of your FICO score. Boosts your credit score. Better utilization. Better credit score. Better interest rates. More money saved. More flexibility and emergency cushion. It gives you breathing room for emergencies, unexpected expenses, and even rewards like cashback or travel points. Now that we know the why, let's move to the how, the methods that actually work in 2025. Section 2. Hack number 1. Ask for a limit increase the smart way. Yep, it can be that simple, but there's a right way to ask. Here's what to do. Log in to your credit card account. Most cards have a button that says, Request Credit Line Increase. Use the perfect timing, after 6 months of on-time payments, after a salary increase, after lowering existing debt. Tip. Don't just say, I want more credit. Say, I've been using this card responsibly, my income has increased, and I'd like to manage larger purchases more efficiently. Pro tip. Always request a soft pull. You don't want a hard inquiry hurting your score. Section 3. Hack number 2. Use your card like a pro. Want banks to trust you with more credit? Show them you're responsible. Use your card regularly, but wisely. Keep utilization under 30%, preferably under 10%. Pay off your balance early. Don't just wait for the due date. Real-world example. If your limit is $1,000, never carry a balance of more than $300. Better, stay under $100. Why it works. This proves to lenders you're low risk. The more trustworthy you look, the more they want to give you. Section 4. Hack number 3. Add another card strategically. Want to increase your available credit instantly without touching your existing card? Open a second card smartly. Why it helps. Adds to your total available credit, lowers your utilization ratio, can improve your score if you manage it right. Choose a card with no annual fee. One designed for credit growth, like Discover It or Capital One, Quicksilver One. Caution. Don't go opening cards every month. Space them out, and only apply if your score is in decent shape. Section 5. Hack number 4. Become an authorized user. This one's underrated, but super effective. What is it? Ask a trusted friend or family member to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You benefit from their good credit behavior without ever using the card. It can boost your credit file and increase your overall available credit overnight. Warning. Make sure their history is clean, no late payments or high balances. Section 6. Hack number 5. Report other income. Most people only report their full-time salary. Big mistake. What else counts? Freelance income, rental income, spouse income in some cases, side hustle earnings. Why it works. Banks want to know you have the means to handle more credit. The more income you report, the more likely they'll approve a higher limit. Bonus hack. Use a credit builder app. Here's your bonus method. No one talks about this. Try apps like Self-Grow Credit Experian Boost. They help build credit history fast and show positive behavior, making banks more likely to approve increases or new cards. Experian Boost even adds your Netflix, utility, or phone bill payments to your credit file. Conclusion and action plan. Let's wrap it all up. To increase your credit limit fast, ask for an increase smartly, use your card wisely, open another card carefully, become an authorized user, report all legitimate income, use credit building tools. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Comment below. I respond to everyone. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more smart money moves, and share this with someone trying to level up their credit. Thanks for watching, and remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. But these hacks will definitely speed things up.